everyone. Today I will share something about Toyota Tundra. So in this truck I have code P0303 P0305. The problem on this truck, when we drive at 70 to 80 kilometer per hour, the truck gets vibration and the drive is not comfortable. We feel like a vibration in truck, like engine is vibrating or jerking, whatever you can say about this. So I will show you how to diagnose this problem. First of all, you need to change your spark plugs, then you need to check your injectors. So we already check all the things. Now we will check injectors, and I will share all the work with you. So now I just removed the injector on the bank one side. Let me show you injector, how they come out. So this is injectors, cylinder number 1, 3, 5 and 7. This is bank one side. Now as you can see, injectors are very dirty. Now we will remove injector from connectors, then we will clean little bit from outside, then we will test in injector tester machine. So now I install 2 injectors on the injector tester machine. I will test 2 in pairs because this is very old machine. Okay, now we will check for the fuel level. It doesn't matter how much fuel they inject. We just need to measure between 2. If anyone is less than other, that means the injector need to be cleaned. As you can see, this one and this one, too much difference between these two. So this is confirmed that the problem is with the injector. Injector need to be cleaned. Now all the injectors in the ultrasonic cleaner. So we will clean all the injectors. Then we will test them again in this machine. After we confirm everything, all the levels are okay, then we will install back into the truck. Then we will clear the cords. This should be okay for this problem. Please subscribe to my channel and hit like. Thank you very much. This is after clean. As you can see now, they are very clean.